Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a server on Pterodactyl Panel and use it to host a Discord bot 24/7. If you already have Pterodactyl installed, this process is very simple. So let's get started. First, open your Pterodactyl Panel and log into your administration account. From the dashboard, go to the admin section and server section, and now click create new. Enter name for your server, guys. Example, I'm going to call mine nearby Twitter bot and select your Gmail for server. Guys, now configure the resources for the bot. RAM, CPU, disk space. I'm giving CPU 100, RAM 2 GB, disk space 4 GB. Then CPU pinging is always 0. Guys, next, we want to select next Discord egg Python. Then I want to put your Python file name. I'm going to put main.py. Then create server. It's installing, guys. Wait for the installation. Our Pterodactyl server has now been created. Open new created server and go to files. Then upload your bot file, guys. Uploaded. It's uploading. Then I want to add my requirements file. Uh, discord.py. Then create file. Then paste. Save content, guys. Then go to the terminal and start, guys. Here is not online, guys. Let's wait for its onlining. Guys, here showing logged in nearby tutorial bot. Bot is ready. Then we can check. Guys, bot is already online, guys. We can. Uh, I'm going to put my command. My bot is replying fully working, guys. This much only, guys. Easy, guys. We successfully created a server on Pterodactyl and hosted our Discord bot. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more VPS, Pterodactyl, Linux, and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.